Understanding your break-even point is essential for anyone running a business or analyzing the financial health of an investment project. The break-even point is the specific moment where your total revenue exactly matches your total costs. At this exact point, you are not losing money, but you are not yet generating a profit either. To find this point, you must track your fixed overhead, the variable cost to create each unit, and your final selling price. While breaking even keeps the lights on, the goal for any long-term venture is to consistently operate above this threshold. As you can see, once sales exceed the break-even point, every additional unit sold contributes directly to your profit margin. Knowing exactly how many units you need to sell provides a clear roadmap for your business goals and helps manage financial risk. Thanks for watching. Understanding these basics is the first step toward better financial literacy. Check back for more concepts explained simply.